Hello, my oil friends. Caroline Lee, a Diamond doTERRA wellness advocate. And today I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about our frankincense. Our frankincense is 200 PV. You get this free with doTERRA. So it doesn't matter if it's an LRP or if it's a standard order, or even if you're just getting started this month and you do a 200-point order. This bottle comes free. 200-point order. Isn't that awesome? So I wanted to give you some fun facts about frankincense, and then I'm going to share you 3 ways that you could use frankincense. So what does it take to make a bottle of frankincense? Well, it takes about a half a pound of resin to produce 15 milliliters bottle of frankincense. So half a pound of the resin. I was going to show it to you, but I can't find it. My husband's got some frankincense resin. I like to show that. But basically, it's from the tree. They score the tree, and it oozes out this resin to kind of heal up. And then as it oozes out, it starts to harden. And they take this and they utilize that for the oil. So it's going to take a half a pound of that to make this bottle right here. So I also want to mention some of the chemistry that's associated with the bottle of frankincense. So the main chemical constituents that are associated with the benefits of frankincense are alpha-pinene, which is known for their relaxing benefits, limonene, which is known for uplifting, beta-carotene, hopefully I'm saying that right, is known for soothing, and alpha-theogen is the herbal aroma. So that gives you an idea of some of the chemical compounds that are listed in frankincense and why it has such amazing benefits. And so today I'm going to talk about 3 ways that you can use frankincense. I'm looking over here at my notes right here. The first way that you can use it is you can actually diffuse it to help with prayer and meditation. So they're really great for the diffuser, so a couple of drops in there, especially if you have that dedicated time to read your scriptures or for meditation. Maybe you do some yoga in conjunction with this. This one is definitely a great oil that just kind of helps ground you, helps clear those thoughts away, helps you connect with your higher power. You can also apply it to scars to help with reducing their appearance. So this is great. We've had some surgeries lately in our house, and so we've been using these on this, applying it topically. You could use this or the touch roller ball, and you can just apply that directly to the wound, the scar that's there, to aid in the healing and help support the body when it's kind of soothing that skin and helping with the cellular function of those skin cells. So the third way is you can apply it to the tippable bone for brain boost. Boy, that's a mouthful. So you can apply it. I'm going to take my touch right here. I'm going to show you really quickly how you can do this. So that's down here at the bottom here, the base of the skull. There's a little divot on here, and you're just going to apply it and rub that in. That's going to help with your brain boost, right? Who doesn't need that, man, especially this day and age. So anyways, those are 3 ways that you can use frankincense, and don't forget to order your 200 PV products so that you can earn that for free this month. Take care. Until next time.